One man to the goodie. That I do it. That I do it. That I do it. Make a girl step to me. If she want it, she will say, wow. I got a nice British queen, do a nice wife. I don't give a f*** who want tax, but I look good. So me not the like a every week. Your name on me chest plate in home. Husband. One queen in the bed in the estate. Tell her, great side chick, move on the dirty blood class. You do not get my husband, go. He could have chat me and class me and disgrace me. I same thing we're going to do, no, go. See me the way. See me the way. See me the way. Them can class out to not as much as me. But the difference is me I get class in a title. Me I get class in with name. I see my husband. Move on the dirty. That's what me love him, me say I do. Flat belly, girl look blood clad good. When me talk about me jump from maybe get more land up. Every bumper, going off a live off of me sweat, me spit, and my afters. Move on the table. You don't want me to tour you? You don't want to tour in the right? But it's true though. Any class, man, I'm telling you, say, oh, me got class, and no dirty nasty blood class. I'm going to make you hear about the one man. Ah! Queenie act! Everywhere we go, everywhere we go, them do a move on the when I would the East Sunday dinner if me never come live. Move on the don't need to call my name. Me want call him name, call me a queen. I'm back calling him name, come on. Come with me now. Move on the if do you have me not come live? When I can't, I'm not Sunday dinner. Oh, you lot can't eat any. My unhappy, I tell lady, if my unhappy, I may come out here, come go on, so I'm good at acting. Happy girl. Talk to me. Are you see me happy after wanna do it? Yeah, that burn you, girl. You is unhappy because you wanted me today not to do my face and get my daughter hair and put on my little brackets. So you are unhappy, not me. Could I, girl? Woo! Coffee page. You know, I never understand a work person. I'm thinking I'm a drunker, but I'm not a drunker. Can't even say drunker to work person. You don't are not even drunkers. What? What are you? I look stunning. Thank you. Wow. It's just the truth. Because another while when me hear all of them vice note them for drop down on the cement, I don't know one that's behind the green bush again when I'm not getting my husband. Your face drop in like cocaine. That a drop in, but it's not. That a drop in like. So work the difference out. My face dropping down like a cocaine, but it's my heart. Miss that girl, a top girl, never a flap girl. Last week, I look absolutely beautiful. Thank you. Last week, I look like a truck. This morning, I waked up and I went to Debbie Hair and Beauty. And he said, you know what, Queenie? I want to look beautiful this morning. I want to relook my husband and tell him, don't leave me. Please don't chat me anymore. Stop shaming me and don't disgrace me. Just love me and honor me, 'cause I'm your beautiful wifey. You gave me your name, and some girl not get it. Ha 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 ha. One wife. Do it signed for me. I signed for him. Sorry for the inconvenience of the stupid puppy show disgraceful disrespect, but like my husband. Me not go to my husband. Me know the use of my husband. And him do me, him go and do not too. So make him stay and do me it. Stick to the evil that you know, Queenie. A lot of you got your loved ones in your partner and you don't even know that they curse but words. You do not know that they smoke weed. Well, I know that my husband chat me. I don't like it, but I'm not in control of it. So because I'm not in control of it, and I'm in control of myself, I just have to shake my bum, nod and smile, as Oliver would say. They said, do it! Why you never that for do it? Do it, why? Do it, why? Do that. Do it, can't. I'm just ball at it done. What? Hmm? Hmm? Sit down here and ball every time, no trouble, but tell me, sit upon don't want me. It's my husband. I'm supposed to trick on and tell her that he want me. I want to see me and then I'm going to drop down. Go. Me know that me I get trick. Ah! 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 I've got my husband. It doesn't matter what the storm, the weather is. It's me and my husband. And I was Queenie, I want drunk, I want shit house. I mean, I have nobody, I'm single. And then I get my husband. I will guide my husband and protect him and hide him from you vampires. I'll take the holy water. Stick man. It's just the truth. The art wants what the art wants. Thank you. Don't leave me alone with my husband. Someone we could all lie on that cut out. At least I chat do it chat. Me not beat me and abuse me. Someone man wanna beat to man tapping at them throat, kick them down, give them some gladiator, give them some bucely, move on. No thing I chat me. Someone under 1 million pay now under man baton. Leave me with my man chatting and class in my disgrace. I'm change. I have hopes and faith in my husband. Move on that. You will learn. Yeah, I'm new to wife. And I like me with sit down and want married how much in the years. I know how to. Why Ivan? I don't never say up on the life. Dear man, a man, I'm going to give her some love. Ask her, she will tell you. She have more time. If I'm in a bit and I'm heart towards my husband, you just got to see me as a man. Like, so we can't be against one another. Leave me, I'm a nice, cute husband. I may always praise him. I don't give him more praise me. That's a film business. Me I praise him. Sounds stupid. I am stupid. I am everything, my dear. When I'm stupid for love, I like being stupid for love. It made me interested. To the left and the right. Being stupid give me a challenge. No, poor you. Not poor you. Poor you, rich me. Me rich in spirit and rich in love. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm nice and look good in nice sun there. Shut up, man. Ugly woman. Every man need a queen, eh? Thank you. When I got love man, money love man for them can go no. And when they come and this one and go no the money, trying to get the money you know not talk. But me a hot girl, me is that girl. I work with every